Evening all. I have fruit trees and rabbits love to chew on the branches, except for when I talk about it, of course. Right? Except for when I talk. Let's go back here. What's up, pretty girl? There's another one. I just stick it in between the tunnels. What's up, nosy? But that tree you see in the background is a peach tree. Don't pee on me. And that's one of those trees that's spliced. Hey. Everybody gets to share. Good stuff? Just the bark or the whole limb? What's up, kiddos? Curiosity killed the rabbit. These are both girls. All three, my bad. And then there's the sheriff. Tastes good? So if you got a fruit tree, your rabbits will love you. Especially this pig. She's about a year old. She's a harlequin. Anybody hanging out? I think I see somebody. I do. Casper. What are you doing? In the food bowl, of course. What's up, kids? Want to say hi? Without jumping out? Huh? Pretty girl? It's a pretty girl. There's another pretty girl. She was the runt. But she does fine. She got some fast little feet. Has to with the sheriff around. What do you think, girls? Exciting Monday for you? Jersey Woolies. That's a Lionhead mix. My little slice of heaven. That's asparagus. And those are perennials. Burn pile for this big old maple tree. What's up, fuzzy butt? Lose interest? Not you guys. That'll be gone in an hour, won't it? Let's see if there's any interest up front. What's up, big boy? Smile for YouTube. one going to town. Aren't you, girl? What's up, fuzzy butt? Sure pretty. Anyway, thanks for watching.